Good Friday to you there. It's time now for the weekend outlook here by Weather Ranger Charlotte. And looking at the current visible satellite imagery right now, we do have some high clouds moving in from our west, very thin veil, and those will probably be out of here at some point later on today. And it's going to be a beautiful and gorgeous weekend, Saturday and Sunday, with highs in the 80s right now. And it looks like there's a lot of clouds over Mississippi and Alabama right now, associated with a couple of disturbances that are moving across the southern tier of the United States. And we will remain dry up here in Charlotte. However, the only issue is just a few clouds, but other than that, it will be gorgeous. Let's take a look at some of the model forecasts here. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the models here as we see the little tiny disturbance here, this little blotch of red moving across Arkansas and across eastern Tennessee, right over our area, which is bringing the veil of thin high clouds right now, and that will be out of our area by, let's see here, we minus 4 hours. That's 2 o'clock here tonight, early Saturday morning. And the greens here indicates relative humidity at about, I want to say, 10,000 feet above the ground. And that means when you're going to see clouds. It's a good indicator for clouds. So we're out of the clouds here by 2 o'clock a.m. And that just means it's going to be clearing up overnight. It's going to be dry for us, according to the GFS model here. This is all precipitation output. And then moving into Saturday during the morning here, it looks like it's going to be clear and sunny. A beautiful sunrise for your early Saturday morning here. A gorgeous day shaping up out here with a high near 80 degrees. And it looks like we're just going to be nice all day Saturday. If you want to do that outdoor project, get out there and do it. If you want to go out to the park, go for a jog. Great day for outdoor activities. A little too chilly for swimming quite yet. I wouldn't suggest going to the pool at this point. Sunday, a very nice day, cloud free, and it looks like we're once again at 80 degrees. Another beautiful day here on Sunday. If you're going to go to church, if you want to go to lunch or do something after that, that'll be great. Also, a good day to continue your project. Maybe work on the car, change the oil in the driveway. Great weather for that, that's for sure. And then we head into Monday here, and here's a storm system, a trough digging in over the northern part of the United States, which is going to swing another wave of energy across the southern portion of the United States. Clouds move in by late Monday, and then the rain starts to fall. We could even see a few showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be a gusty one with heavy downpours, maybe even a little bit of wind here. And then we head into Tuesday, early Tuesday morning, and here comes a sharp cold front all the way from Canada down through the Gulf Coast. Texas is where it's going to stretch, and this could bring us some rather wet weather here on early Tuesday morning. So if you're going to go out on Tuesday morning to work, make sure you bring the umbrella because it's just going to be raining cats and dogs all day here on Tuesday. Lots of moisture to work with, a big, deep low over the Hudson Bay, and it affects all the way down to the Gulf Coast will be felt. And then that system lingers around through the day on Tuesday and the Tuesday evening, finally pulls out Tuesday night, and then we're going to be cold after that front moves through. This is the 32-degree line at above the ground, at 5,000 feet above the ground. This is 32 degrees, so it'll more than likely be in the 40s here when we wake up on Wednesday morning. So then it's going to be cold the rest of the week on Wednesday for us. It's going to be sunny, but however, it's going to be chilly for the remainder of next week. Let's take a look at some of the current observations across the region, and then I'll let you go for the day. So looking at the current observations across the region here, I will zoom in a little bit for you since it might be a little difficult to see first. And we're going to zoom in here and look at the temperatures across the area. 70 right now, Charlotte International Airport, and we have 62 degrees out here in Asheville up in the mountains. 69 degrees and cloudy up here at Greensboro, 68 at the state capitol in Raleigh, 76 down at the beach at Wilmington, 73 in Myrtle Beach, a nice little breeze out of here out of the southwest, about 20 miles per hour. That's the thing. It's going to be a breezy afternoon here until this disturbance moves through. A little bit of a land breeze here as it's right around noon right now here on Friday, and this is just going to be occasional gusts here. So if you're outside eating, you might want to make sure that you don't leave your drink unattended because it might just fly off the table. And we have 71 degrees down here in Columbia, South Carolina state capital, 76 degrees in Chucktown, and in the upstate we have 68 at Greenville and Clear. A nice weekend again shaping up for you. Enjoy it. This has been Weather Ranger Charlotte. Have a great weekend.